Hello, Jack. Welcome back to Happy Smile English. Today, I tried something crazy. I spent a whole day with no phone.
What? A whole day? Emma, are you okay? Do you need water?
I'm fine, but it felt so strange. My hands kept looking for my phone.
Mine too. Sometimes I check my pocket even when my phone is in my hand.
In the morning, I woke up and reached for it, then remembered, no phone today.
That must be hard. I need my phone to wake up. Without it, I might sleep for 3 days.
I know. I usually check messages right away, but today there was nothing to check.
That sounds peaceful, but also scary. What did you do instead?
I just sat on my bed and looked at the wall for 5 minutes.
Wow. The wall must be very interesting. Did it talk to you?
No, but I started imagining faces in the wall paint.
Okay, that's when I would need my phone back. Immediately.
Then I made breakfast without watching any videos. It was so quiet.
Quiet? My kitchen is never quiet. I always watch funny videos when I cook.
I didn't know what to do, so I talked to my eggs.
You talk to your eggs? Emma, we need to get your phone back.
They didn't answer, but breakfast tasted good.
That's good. If the eggs answered, I would run.
After breakfast, I sat on the sofa and the room felt too calm.
I understand. When it's too quiet, I start singing to myself badly.
I thought about reading a book.
Great idea. Books are like phones, but slower.
Yes, very slow. I read 1 page in 10 minutes.
I read 1 page in 20 minutes, and then I forget everything and start again.
But I felt relaxed. No notifications, no messages, no noise.
That actually sounds nice. Maybe I should try it too.
Really? I think you would last 10 minutes without your phone.
10 minutes? Please, Emma. I can do at least 12 minutes.
After reading, I wanted to check the time, but my phone was not there.
Oh no, that's the worst. When I don't have my phone, time stops for me.
I looked at the sun through the window and guessed the time like a caveman.
That is impressive. I only know 2 times, daytime and nighttime.
I think it was around noon or maybe morning. I'm not sure.
If I guess the time, I'm always wrong. I say 2 p.m. and it's actually 9 a.m.
Then I went outside to take a walk. It was nice and quiet.
A walk? Without music? Without headphones? That sounds dangerous.
It was strange at first. I could hear birds, cars, and people talking.
Wow, real life sounds. I forget they exist.
I watched kids playing in the park. They looked so happy.
Kids always look happy. They don't have bills.
A little girl waved at me. I waved back like a tree in the wind.
Aw, that's cute. Did she wave again?
Yes, and then she ran away laughing.
See, kids run away from me too.
When I got home, I wanted to relax, but I didn't know what to do.
Without my phone, I never know what to do. I just walk around my room.
I sat on the sofa and stared at the ceiling this time.
The ceiling? Is it more fun than the wall?
A little bit. It has patterns that look like clouds.
Clouds on your ceiling? That sounds magical.
After that, I cleaned my room. No phone equals no distraction.
If I did that, I would find snacks I lost 3 months ago.
I found old socks. Many socks. Too many socks.
Lost socks always return. They just take long vacations.
After my phone-free day, I felt calm. My mind was quiet.
That sounds really good. I want a quiet mind too. Mine is always bzz, bzz, bzz.
I realized I don't need my phone all the time.
Maybe you're right. Maybe I should try a no phone day. Maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Really?
Yes, but only for half a day. Baby steps, Emma. Baby steps.
Even half a day is a good start.
I'll try. But if I start talking to my eggs, I'm calling you.
Don't worry. I'll talk back.
See? That's why we're friends.
Jack, after my no phone day, I felt something very new. I was not stressed.
Really? No stress? I want that. My phone gives me stress every 5 minutes.
Yes, no messages, no noise, no notifications, just me and my quiet house.
My phone is like ding, ping, bing every second.
Exactly. Without it, my brain finally relaxed.
I want to relax too, but my brain is always running like a chicken.
Phone-free day helps. You should try it.
I will, but I'm scared I'll miss something important.
Like what? A cat video?
Hey, cat videos are very important. They heal the soul.
True, but they can wait.
Maybe, but what if someone sends me a message?
Then they wait too. It's okay.
I don't like making people wait, but I like peace, so it's hard.
You can tell your friends first. I am offline today.
If I tell them, they will panic. They will think I am lost.
Then write, don't worry, I'm alive.
Good idea. Very simple, very me.
And after that, turn off your phone and do something fun.
Like what? Give me ideas. I only know how to use my phone.
Read a book, draw a picture, clean your room, dance, or take a nap.
A nap sounds perfect. I'm very good at naps.
See, you already have a talent.
Thank you. I am proud of myself.
And you can walk outside too. Fresh air is nice.
Yes, but when I walk without music, I feel like I'm in an old movie.
That can be fun. You can imagine dramatic music in your head.
I do that sometimes. It makes me feel cool.
See, you don't need a phone for fun.
Maybe you're right. Maybe phones make life fast. Too fast.
Yes, a slow day feels good sometimes.
I want one slow day too, but not too slow or I will fall asleep.
A little slow is okay. Sleep is also good.
True. Sleep is my best friend.
After my phone-free day, I felt lighter, more free.
I want to feel that too. I think I'm ready to try.